Hello, I'm Tim Klink with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. Today we got a 2015 Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel that we're going to be upgrading the floors in. This particular fifth wheel, as many RVs, come with a very inexpensive vinyl type floor called linoleum or vinyl. Even a lot of your vinyl type floors do not have the quality of what we put in here at MasterTech. We do a Karndean floor. Each tile, as you can see, it is almost a 1/4 inch thick, and this is a long board, as they call it. So this will physically be laid in stagger set. We'll do a 3 offset. That's what the customer would like. And we're going to be replacing this cheap vinyl that is failing. You're going to see where the slide out physically comes in, and you're going to see that the vinyl is actually pulling up. That's because the vinyl in a lot of your manufacturer's coaches are actually loose laid, so they're not even gluing it down. So when we physically take this and we physically cut this out, that's how thick the vinyl is. So there's really not any integrity to this for camping type uses. You know, we realize here at MasterTech that, you know, you're not going to be going to a paved parking lot. You're not going to be going to where there's completely concrete outside. Some people do, that's perfectly fine. But if you pick up particles, dirt, debris, a little stone here or there, run the slide out over the top of it, that just tears the vinyl. And the only solution would be to section in a piece of vinyl, which are prone to failure. When we upgrade the actual floor with the Karndean type floor, this product itself can actually be repaired, or this tile can be extracted out of the coach and physically just be reinserted. So this is what we call a dimensionally stable floor. That means that it is physically the same dimension, whether it's 30 above or 30 below. So that keeps your seams all nice and tight together. We use our proprietary adhesive that we designed for putting these floors down. So this floor will stay intact. The seams will all be nice. They're all going to be physically water resistant. Again, we can take our floor, if you wanted to pour 5 gallons of water over the floor, it's not going to hurt the floor any. Dry it up, you're done. If you have a leak under a vinyl floor, your floor is going to rot out from the bottom side. If you had a floating floor, as what this is, say for instance any type of a snap together floor, whatever, those are not dimensionally stable as our product is. When we're redoing the floors, there's a lot of little changes that we can make to make your lifestyle a little bit easier and to make, you know, maintenance a little less. And this was where we're doing the Karndean floor, and it has it has this linoleum floor right now, which is just paper thin, and it is loose laid. But what we're going to be doing on here is we're going to be removing this carpet strip in front of the slide out itself. We're going to be bringing the actual vinyl all the way underneath the slide. So if you look at this vinyl is going to be going all the way to the wear bar on the inside. So that's what it's going to look like. So it's going to create a little less maintenance because you're not going to need this carpet. So our flooring is so durable that it can withstand any slide out operation. And we also have protective areas where if there is an issue, we can physically protect that with what we call is a slicker. And that is a device that physically goes on top of the vinyl floor to protect the slide out should the slide out either tip or come within too close of tolerance to the floor. Check out some of these pictures and you're going to see the after effect on this coach after we're done. Here at MasterTech, we got your back.